nothing stopping me from just crashing through it, I guess. Yeah, just driving through really quickly. Don't stress about it. I made the car fall over somehow. Amazing! Amazing, I drove too fast. Yes, I can! Yippee! Wee! Holy shit! Oh! Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to this brand new video. Today, we are on Teardown with amazing, surprisingly good graphics. I feel like they changed since the last time I played. But yeah, welcome to this brand new video. Today we'll be starting our series on this game. I say series even though knowing damn well that I'll probably forget about this game in a good 2 days. But yeah, I'll be trying to get this video out as soon as possible. And where have I been these past year pretty much? Oops. Exams and other stuff. We need to replace the fuse, of course we do. Oh, I can open a big door. Move out the fucking way. I can open a big door. Woohoo. I have a broken ass car, I guess. I have this too. Wait. Can I use it? I think I can use it. Here we go. One, two. I can use it. Oh my god. Let's see. Can I throw? I wanna try something. Not really. Anyways, yeah, as I was saying before I got distracted, we are on Teardown with what I'm hoping I can turn into a series. I have no clue how long the game is, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I can finish it before I move out again, because fun fact, I finished high school. That's what I've been up to in the past year. I've finished high school, and I own an elevator in my house. Holy shit, I'm rich. I've been finishing high school and applied for film school. Yes, I'll be studying filmmaking because I love to be broke, I guess. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much all I've been working on lately. And yeah, I hope that you've been all enjoying your time without me. So I need to take this building down, and I can't hit this camera correctly. Yup. Last I played this game was actually very long ago. I think last time I played was for the video, so that gives an idea of how much I play it. But we will still be having fun through the entire campaign, blowing everything up without asking any questions. And yeah, that's basically all I've got to say. I've honestly forgot pretty much what I can comment about, because as I said, I haven't done it in a decently long time. How the fuck is the house still standing? This is like all that it's holding up. What the fuck? There we go. Let's see. Give me that. Okay. I guess let's just blow shit up now. Nope. Oh, okay. I was actually scared. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. And it's still not gone, so time to get another build car. Let's go. Hello there. Excuse me. Yes. Just driving through really quickly. Don't stress about it. I made the car fall over somehow. But hey, it's burning. The building's burning, so that's something, I guess. There's no fire alarm, I hope. There we go. And the building's very on fire. But it's fine, let's just... There we go, demolition complete. Let's just drive away. I feel like I'm doing something wrong, but yeah, let's just go away, guys. We're not criminals at all. No, 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 no. Oh, I'm on the news. Okay. Yep, not me. It was not me, guys. What a morning. Should have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage protection. I actually didn't read any of the messages. So, from the beginning now. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Okay, so we're broke. My mom cares about me, though. She gives me jobs. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. How much did they pay? They paid 0. Oh, I need to find valuables to get money. So though they did not pay. That's not good. And they started an investigation, and that was caught on CCTV. Of course. Parisa 30 man. Just so you know, I usually do this. Yeah. Been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now. Miss, I feel like there's bigger issues you need to focus on. But okay, I guess we're gonna go steal more stuff from Lee Chemicals. Sir, you need to pay for better security. The gate's wide open. Let's see. Okay, there's a fire alarm here, so we can't just burn stuff, sadly. No. Does it make me kinda sad? Yes, but oh well. Let's just steal this one in here, I guess. There we go. Thank you. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just doing my very honest and very legal job. This door is obviously also locked, and this building's got enough bricks, so I can't just break my way in again. Okay. That's one way to do it, I guess. There's a car here, though. Can't I just... There we go. Tax deductible pension, okay. I don't mind that. Why did it drop me off here? No clue, but hey. We'll check. Look at this. The second target. Please don't mind me. And now the third one. Oh fuck. Okay, it does not pause the game. Okay, just in there. Is there something for me to blow shit up with? No. But I have this. And it obviously drops me off on the roof. Why not? Where is it? It's in there. Okay. This is a vehicle. Oh, watch out. And it drops me off bad down here. Alright. Let me... Holy shit. Game. Calm. Alright. Thank you. Now, where's the exit? Here it is. Other way around. Yeah, I get it, I get it. Mission's accomplished, you don't need to tell me twice. You guys probably can't see it because obviously my screen's too big. However, at the bottom right, I can see the amount that I have to do and the amount that's required and the amount that I can do optional. Because I do remember that there's optional targets. Breaking news. Hit and run, no fun for Lee Sun. There's been a break-in at Lee Chemicals. Oh, was not me again. Oh, 30 man again. The customer registry indicates that Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client is only referred to as BT and no further details. Mom? What's your name? Because Tracy? Anyways, no further details, so I really have to bother you with one more favor. Head back to Lee Chemicals and fetch your employee login devices. I heard they installed a new security system, be careful. Lee Chemicals again, okay. Oh. The gate's closed. He learned his lesson. Quill's security. Anti-theft protection system. And the thing is locked. Alright. Now, how can I get in? Oh, okay, I guess just like that. Can I open the gate somehow? Maybe I have an idea. Just maybe. Alright. So nothing. Oh, well, that's broken. Doesn't matter, it's not mine anyways. Nothing stopping me from just crashing through it, I guess. Yeah. And there we go. Hi. Hey, yeah, no, don't worry. Not my fault. So, wired alarm boxes. Breaking an alarm box or wire triggers the alarm. See, last path, best path. I do not want to be spoiled about it though, so we're just gonna see if we can plan a path by breaking and entering into everything. Ah, okay, so here's the box. Number 1. I can quick save, yes. Okay, it gives 1 minute. Let's see. I break this window for an easy escape path. Where's the next one? The second one is here. And the third one is here. And maybe I can go here through that bridge. Which is 1 floor lower. So let's just break this. I can then run through here. That thing's bricked. Alright. No, never mind. However, what I can do is maybe jump here? Yes. But don't have a, yeah, that has brick on. Just mark it. There we go. Jump here. Run to here. And jump in here. Steal this. Go here. Can I make this jump? Ooh, I can. Go all the way here. Without using the extinguisher, maybe. Go in here. Steal it. And then let me just do this. Maybe, hopefully it works. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please work. It works. Yes. Alright. So now here's a better question. First of all, let me destroy this factory. Maybe I'll start from a bit. Alright. Can I drive this pickup truck through it? It's got 2 seats. They added multiplayer to the game, finally. Yeah, if I speed through it enough, I can do it. Alright, so I guess it's worth a shot now. Where they're like tying a hard drive to an alarm is a bit overkill if you ask me, but oh well. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, go. And I forgot to paint everything else. Oh, fuck. Holy, check me out. Guys, I'm a parkour pro. Fuck, wait, I did not plan on the... Fuck. Quick. I forgot to make myself an exit. But it's fine because I made it. Let's fucking go. Holy shit. Took me 6 minutes of planning holy. I don't even know how long I'm gonna cut it down to because everything's kind of like matters. But it's fine. Ooh, amateur. You reach a new rank. What do I get? Blowtorch, I can burn shit. Ooh, me likey. Tracy, need coffee. They turned off the gas. I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. We'll need to bring in more clients. I reached out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing sorted? Mom. I wouldn't be surprised if this lady's like... Oh yeah, I didn't read that. Yeah, I really need to start reading the emails I get. But yeah, if I... It's sorted. Don't worry, Mom. Yeah. Okay, you have another job for me. I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for Marina, and the board says there is no space for a new dock. Is this just like Gabe Newell? It was supposed to be Gabe Newell with his yacht. Could you use your demolition skills and remove one of the timeshare cabins? If the original documentation also disappeared, then ta-da! Like it was never there. Yeah, got it, boss. Alright, so let's see. Office safe. That's here. And the outermost cabin is here. So I need to remove this. There's a fire alarm, and I need to get rid of the safe. The cabin's probably the easier part. Sorry, not the cabin. Yeah, no, the cabin is the easier part. So I say let's just try the office safe, which is obviously fucking... But opened, because why wouldn't it be? Where's the safe? Oh, here it is. Dump it into water. Great. Come, holy shit, it's heavy. Alright. Wait, why don't I just throw it onto a vehicle, maybe? There we go. Oh my god, this safe is heavy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, no, that's fine enough. Hey, wait, I do want to do something without losing the safe, hopefully. Can I drive this onto where the house is and sink it from there? Maybe. Yes, I can! Yippee! I mean, did I just... Oops. Anyways, now for part 2. Guess we gotta remove this house. Seems easy enough, actually. I can just... Oh, fuck. Ouch. Seems like I can just do this, pretty much. Holy shit, it actually worked. It actually worked. And now... I can drive a boat, so... Now we do the fun stuff, I guess. Is it the yacht missing here? Will I get to actually blow it up for a job? Oh, it's gonna be so fun. That's actually gonna be so fun. And drive it into the house, I guess. And a barely dead shit, so just hit it down. Oh my god, seriously? What's the... Oh my... Yeah, okay. Let's just rage quit it. I'm crashing out. I'm crashing the brother. There we go. Now that's done. Nobody ask any questions, please. And move. And we're gone. Nobody knows shit. Nothing ever happens. And boom. Well, we are professionals. Professionals obviously have standards. And this is what like now, level 4 we completed, and I'm only 25 minutes in. I feel like I forgot to record something. Oh, I was fixing the roof, I guess. It's fine. Doesn't matter. This game, every time I keep forgetting how gorgeous this game is, and I love it. For that. But yeah, oh, it looks like we're slowly also fixing the... Let me close the door properly. No. Let me close the door. I give up. Looks like we're slowly fixing this car too. That thing's destructible. And yeah. Okay, because it's raining, obviously makes sense. New email. Golden Woo. For escorting the marina. Looks like it worked because they just cleared a construction permit for the new dock. Good for you, man. Another thing came up. There was this classic car auction in a Black River the other day, and one guy just kept overbidding me. Lawrence Lee Jr. Isn't that the guy we stole the stuff from? The youngster who inherited the chemical plant a few years ago. Absolutely no interest in cars. He's just looking for ways to rotate his dirty money. So, yeah. Can you help me acquire those 2 gems? I'll take care of them. If you guys actually paid me, right now only had to steal shit. That's all I've got to do. I literally just stole shit. This is closed. Fun. And they have wired alarm boxes. Great. Like, how many cars are there? 1 or 2? 2. Car in the warehouse. And car on ship. Okay. I saw from the... Break. There we go. I saw from the picture. Okay, one's here. And the other one's... You guys probably can't see it. Up here. Okay. And this opens automatically. Perfect. Fuck it. Alright, there we go. So, wait, if it's on a ship, and I can drive anything, can they just take the ship to there? Let's see. Oh, yeah, there's the... And I fucking fell. Can you please let me drive the car? Please let me drive the boat. Do I want to have to swim all the way around? I can't drive the boat. Ah, but there's some rocks here. Perfect. Alright, as we were saying before this amazing fail, yeah, the car's got the GPS here, so is anything stopping me from just driving the boat over there other than this bridge? Fuck. Right, okay, so as it turns out, the bridge will cut the boat in half. And I need to restart. Amazing. Can I take the bridge up? I think I can. Yeah, I can. Oops. You know what? It's fine. I want to do something cool though before we do anything else. I gotta be fast about it though. Let's see if I can do it. Whee! Holy shit! Oh! That's not good actually. Because now the car's gonna fall off. And it's obviously full front wheel drive. Great. Great, yep. Amazing. Third try now. This time, I'm taking it a bit more seriously. Or maybe trying a bit harder. Maybe if I drive faster. Let's try. Look, I'm getting it one last shot. But I'm quick saving this time because I'm not walking that shit again. Okay. As we were saying, maybe let's start here. Ooh. Okay, this time it worked. With minimal damage to the bridge too, so that's good. And now let's go to the boat. Where the fuck am I? There we go. This time, without destroying the boat, I have an idea. Oh, it's also on a truck. Oh, that makes it even easier. Is this a car? Yes, this is the car. Maybe I can drive the truck. Also, onto here. Alright. Anyways, hopefully this works. Seems to be working. Get to drive. There we go. Not that I care about it anyways. And let's take this beauty. Wait, what do I care? Right, that's why I care. I'd like the car to not fall off. Can I? Ooh. Oh, okay, no, I really gotta stop being more careful now. Because it will actually fall off. What? No! Fuck! Okay, I say let's drive the boat first. I said, excuse me. Excuse me, there we go. Maybe I can do something. Let me quick save here again before I need to drive that again. Okay, so here's my plan now. Doing an amazing maneuver, which I doubt is even remotely possible on a boat. And I'll just reverse it into here. Hopefully it doesn't break too much. Perfect, this should work. Okay. And now we drive the forklift because we're forklift certified, remember kids. Always becomes forklift certified. The truck will fit through here, I'm sure. Just let me quick save again. Because I'm not risking this shit. Alright. Alright, okay. We're still alive. Alright. This is literal parkour by now, but it's fine. The car is still alive. Three, two, one, go, I guess. This has to be a joke. This has to be a joke. No, no. Why did I do this? Alright, there we go. I can do it. I got it. You know what? I got it. One and two, finally. There we go. As you guys can see, we made it. No issues at all. Half my recording time is currently just this one level, but it's fine. We're progressing the story a lot, and that's what matters. And I really hope I can get more than one episode out. Oh, I have a flashlight. Okay. Not really demolition, but that's one of those two rare classic cars. Guess what? I know who did it. Gordon Wu, that absolute prick. He's now bragging to everyone at the club about his two new favorite possessions. The break-ins caused me a lot of property damage, and I'd like to let Gordon taste some of his own medicine. Since you're in the demolition industry, I thought, well, I don't know if to this sort of work. Oh, brother. Trust me, I do. Let's see. Where do we have the cars? They're obviously wired security. Okay, they're all white, because we need to only do 3. One. I said let's at least enter and see. There's 2 things blocking the gate here. This does not open. Okay, here we have car 1. Let's just say we drive this through here. Okay, it broke. Oh, that's sick! Anyways, oops. We drive this through here. I somehow need to remove this stuff. Okay, it opens. This one opens at least. Good to know. Which now tells me to move this shit out the way. Oops. Right, I may or may not be destroying stuff, but it's fine. You know what? Yep, look at a path. That's what matters. So we'll just keep going this way and throwing this in the water. Alright. Car 1 of 3. So, car number 2. Let's see. I don't think there's a car to like get around with his cars. Okay, the gate is supposed to open. Alright, car number 2. Car number 2 is on a truck. Alright, which means I can bring it closer to where it can be useful to have without actually having to destroy shit. I say as I destroy shit. Alright. Alright. Now I'm curious about something. Quick save. If I drive this in the water, does the alarm start? Because technically the car... It doesn't. And it counts. That's good to know. So I can put a car here to act as a first getaway car to go get the second car. Is there a pool here? Yeah, and it's full of water. Test number 2. Can I just drive this car in this water? Amazing! Amazing, I drove too fast. So, test number 2 now. It does. Quick load. Which means... all I need now is a second getaway car which is already turned that I can use to get away from the first getaway car which I'm watering pretty much. I'll just use this one. Oh yeah, this is fast. So this will be the getaway car to get to the getaway car. Getaway car reception, I guess we can call it. And so yeah, now I can go into the first garage and start the theft. And go. Alright, please tell me that works. Yes. Move! Where's it? Here. That works. You know what? Fuck it, that works. If it works, it works. I don't mind. Okay, that had nothing to do with what we just did. Okay, wait. You want me to steal safes? Weren't those like heavy as shit? Okay, anyways, I think I'll just do one more mission and then I'll finish it up for this episode, because I've been going on for 50 minutes now, 51 almost. And we'll just do this one because it's all that we're missing. Alright, another one in the boat again. Once in that boat, which is getting pulled by that car, so I have an idea. And the third one's in there. Alright, here's the plan. Gonna go ahead and take one car, maybe a fast one. How about that? Right here. Where is it? To the back there. Yeah, that should work. Let's try to not break walls because I have no clue which wall the GPS is on. Alright, so we're gonna be model ship, 45 bucks. Alright, so we'll go here, jump into the car, which I'll put back here. This car I'm gonna use to open that gate for myself. But before I do anything else, I raise the bridge. There we go. So there's boat number 1. And then there would be boat number 2. But I think I need to cut these things off because they're not wood and they're not gonna rip out. So this boat's now free. Let's see, can I jump on it from here? Yes, I can. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna align this to be like that. Quick save and lower. Please, please. Please break the ship. Please break the ship. Oh! Holy sh... Holy, that was a good fit. Anyways. Once I got that through, I need a second car. Because I need to go back there again. Yippee. I'll have this open. Perfect. Don't care this time. This time around I actually do not care. Because since it's on a boat, I have an idea. For which we'll need to quick save first. Please work. It worked. You know what? I'm not gonna question it because it worked. I'm just happy it did and that the boat is not sinking. Kinda. Do I fucked up? Whoa, no, 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 no. This is what we quick save for, guys. Remember. Quick save. Ah, who cares? Okay, let me just clear this up. There we go. Now we try again. Okay. It survived better, that's for sure. Let's see, it should move more like central. There we go. Okay, yeah, this works now. Much. Alright, so that's 2. And now comes the scary part. Pulling it all off. Leave no evidence that I was here. You know? You wouldn't want to leave any evidence that you were somewhere that you shouldn't be. We quick save. And go. My fucking god. I mean, it's not a bad run for sure. What, it took me less than 25 seconds. But I feel like I could do better. Oh, wait, before I do anything for that, reach a new rank. Planks. Planks can be used to build primitive ramps. That's pretty good. You can also attach objects with planks to lift or drag heavy items. Oh, that's good. There's multiple planks to build complex structures. Okay. And actually, because it said I can upgrade stuff, tools, plank. Okay, max length. I'm gonna do plank number and max length just to be safe. Right. Anyways, as I was saying, I think I'm gonna end today's episode here because, well, yeah, as I said, it's already been an hour, and I wanna get to edit it and record it all the next episode tomorrow morning. Cause yes, it is currently 9:40 in the evening. Fun. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please remember to like and or dislike the video if you enjoy or not, and subscribe to the channel so you can find my content more easily in the future. And with this, I will see you guys next time, which hopefully is not gonna be in a year. Bye, can't look at my face. Bye bye.